Justice Yashwant Verma, you might have heard about this name from the past few days. Let me take you through the timeline of when and what have happened. On March 14, 2025, a fire erupts at the storage room at Justice Verma's residence. Now, the firefighters responded promptly, but soon the report emerges that an unaccounted pile of cash have been found amid the smoke. From March 15 to March 19, the Delhi High Court initiates an in-house inquiry. The Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court, D.K. Upadhyay, started collecting the evidence and compiles a report. Now, this particular report is being forwarded to Chief Justice of India for further review. Now, on March 20th, the emergency meeting of the Supreme Court Collegium is held. Now, in a rare move, the Collegium unanimously recommended the transfer of Justice Yashwant Verma from Delhi High Court to Allahabad High Court.
एक जज के घर पे 15 करोड़ रुपया कैश मिल रहा है, उसको घर वापसी का इनाम दिया जा रहा है। क्या हाईकोर्ट, इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट क्या डस्टबिन है, कचरा बिन है? करप्शन के खिलाफ हाईकोर्ट बार बिल्कुल स्ट्रांग फुटिंग पे खड़ा है। हम उसका स्वागत यहां नहीं होने देंगे। उनका ज्वाइनिंग अगर होती है, we will sign the High Court. Lawyers will abstain from work.
Now, the Allahabad Bar Association states that it is not a trash bin, that if a judge is facing allegations of misconduct, then he or she is being repatriated back there. Now, on the same day, the Supreme Court issued a press statement giving warning against misinformation and clarifying that the transfer is independent and separate of the in-house inquiry. Now, interestingly, on 22nd of March 2025, the conflicting report came from the fire department. Now, the fire department says that their role was only limited up to firefighting. Now, indirectly, they are denying the fact that they have addressed the unaccounted pile of cash. Now, senior advocate Sir Harish Salve states that collegium system is flawed, it lacks transparency, and he further adds that if the same would have happened with a common man, ED would have been at the doorstep. Now, the Honorable Supreme Court just released a comprehensive report which details the investigation which was led by the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court. Now, the incident which took place on March 14 around 11:30 p.m. in the storeroom which was located near Justice Verma's residence. The reports indicated partially burned debris and articles which were found, and the matter which instigated the whole thing was the allegations of the significant amount of cash which was discovered at the site. Justice Verma strongly refuted the allegations while stating that the storeroom was easily accessible and used by all the other staff members. Further, he emphasized that the storeroom was disconnected from the living area through a boundary wall. Now, further he stated that neither he nor any of his family members had stored cash in the storeroom. Further, he labeled the allegations as preposterous and suggested that it is a part of conspiracy to tarnish his reputation. Take a look at this video.
ये लिया बेटा। करना से लाइट इस पर यूज करवानी चाहिए। सब कर देखा ये भी लिया। महात्मा गांधी में आग लग रही है भाई, वहां लिया।
Now, what do you think about this whole incident? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Jai Hind.